parachute came out. I can't see the car before Tatro. Look at the dust line. Okay, this footage was brought to you by Helen, Texas Girl in 1979. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and thumbs up for my channel as well. And go Tatro Show. I set him up 2012 on YouTube, so oh, he's so windy. Anyway, better go find my little Joe Dirt. He's in the bushes. Got some water, and we're heading to San Diego next. And I'm against the wind. I can't go this way no more. So I'm gonna put the camera away before I drop. Bye. And since we were talking about subscribing, there's another channel called Helen's Vlogs and Drag Race TV. Subscribe to those two. That's my bike. Don't break it, boy. Find Tatro. Gotta give his camera back. We're leaving to the next stop. Where is he at? Alright, he's going for a third ride. I don't see him yet. Coming back. Oh, look at this cool camper. Ready to go to sleep. Take a nap. This is Joe Dirt's home. This is your home.
And
I'm dumping you.
If we go soon, we might be able to
Leave you here, and you're gonna stay here. This is Spencer's.
to get some
Yeah. All right. Where's our car? Actually, we're right there. Okay. That's yours. That's mine. Bye, Joe Dirt. See you later. Have a good life.